We have our homemade turkey club inspired by Cheesecake Factory's version. This is the perfect lunch or even a nice dinner switch up. It's so easy to make, y'all, and the ingredients really do shine. I know y'all see these delicious layers of flavor. We've got our bacon, our cheddar cheese, our fresh lettuce and tomato, a little bit of mayo. I know you want a bite. You want a bite? I'm gonna get a bite first. So any good turkey club starts with some really great white bread. So we have a white loaf that we're gonna go ahead and pop in the air fryer to toast just until golden brown. And that's really the beginning of the best sandwich you've ever had. Let's do it. With a vine ripe tomato. I'm not a tomato fan in sandwiches, but a club, it just hits different. So I like to thinly slice the tomato, and then I'm going to add some salt and pepper on it, and also put it on a paper towel to get all the excess juices from it. So onto the paper towel it goes. And then we're gonna season it with salt and pepper, because a tomato ain't tomatoing unless you season it. We're gonna hit our bread with some mayo. Then we're gonna add some turkey. This is thinly sliced turkey. Our bacon. And of course, a slice of cheddar cheese. Second layer, we're hitting it with some more mayo. On top here, we'll put the tomato there. Our second layer, lettuce. Our turkey. Bacon. Added tomato last. Cheese. Oh my gosh, this is so high. Tomato. Gonna give it a diamond cut. Going to add our toothpick. Our gorgeous turkey club. Looks so pretty. Yum. Cheesecake Factory inspired. Oh god. Y'all, what lunch dreams are made of. So good. Look, don't forget to subscribe, y'all. If you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, hit that subscribe button below and stay tuned for more videos in my restaurant remix series. We are tackling and taking on all of my favorite recipes from all my favorite restaurants. So stay tuned for more. Stay tuned next time for more. Bye.